Why you always in the mood? Mess around acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but you try to play it cool.
Guys, if you have a PC that Windows is not activated, or you want to change the Windows theme color, or if you want to change the taskbar theme light or dark mode, this video is for you. If I go to settings, then click personalization and then select colors, you can see my Windows is not activated, so I cannot change Windows color mode or default app mode. To change the light or dark theme, first I need to if you want to light theme, press light, and then you can see that Windows theme mode has changed. Now I have light theme. Or you want to dark mode, select arrow. Or if you want to change the light mode to dark mode, so you need to click on arrow option. Then you can see that the light mode has changed into dark mode. So this is the video. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. To get more this type of video, please subscribe my channel and like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.
Always in the mood. Mess around acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but you try to play it cool. Baby, I'm playing by